Hey guys, and welcome back to Cubing with 14x. Today, I will be reviewing a cubing timer. Today, I will be unboxing a SpeedCube timer. So I'm just going to grab my SpeedCube and just going to open up this box, okay? So I'm just going to come into here. Okay. This timer. Hands. And stop. Ugh, camera size isn't big enough. Okay. Oh, you can see the reflection of the camera. Wait. You see my face? Oh, there's my ear. Okay, you can't see anymore. Okay. So, there's time. Light goes green. Time is moving. Hit it, and it stops. So, is that, yeah, okay, so that's our reset button. So I'm going to try a solve on this. Scrambling it up. I'm going to get about a minute, because that's like, I average about 60 seconds. Okay, look pretty good. Alright, here's the white, here's the yellow. Okay, inspection. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, that was pretty quick. Okay. Last corner. Sorry, my camera size, I know it's really close up, but like I'm trying my best to keep it too far where I'm not going to hit the timer, and like not too close where it's like this, you know, because that's just not. Why did this have to happen? So 101, not bad. Not terrible, not great either. I mean, I would have liked to gotten sub 60 because on that last algorithm, I was like when I was like here, I did this, and then as I was doing this again, I got jammed right here. And I needed to put this up. So that was just kind of annoying. I'm gonna try a 2x2 solve on this. So 2x2. Let's do a solve. Okay, scrambled up. Okay. So here's our all our sides. Okay. Boom. Alright, 21 seconds. Not bad. Not bad. My record's 9 seconds, so you know, not great, but like I average about 21 seconds, 20-ish seconds. Alright, I rate this timer very good. Feels nice. It's very smooth. It's very smooth. The timer's pretty high quality. You can get the most accurate time. Looks pretty good to me. I mean, I like it. Alright. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.